Today, I came back to this mountain area to search for rare natural stones and hidden crystals. While exploring the rocky ground, I noticed one very unusual stone lying between the broken rocks. At first, it looked normal from the outside, but something about it immediately caught my attention. The texture looked different. The weight felt strange, and there were tiny shining marks on the surface of the rock. That usually means there could be crystals hidden deep inside. So I decided to test the stone carefully before opening it. I started checking the outer layer slowly and looking closely for any crystal, lines, or mineral patterns. After a few moments, I became even more curious because the rock was showing signs of something rare inside. Honestly, I wasn't expecting much at first. But now, this stone was starting to look very promising. So I picked up my tools and began cutting through the rock. The stone was extremely hard, and it took time to break through the outer surface. Small pieces started falling away, while I carefully continued cutting deeper and deeper. Every second made me more excited. I kept thinking, could this actually contain hidden crystals? As the rock slowly opened, I suddenly noticed a beautiful shine appearing from inside the stone. And then finally, something incredible was revealed. Deep inside the rock were stunning natural